This trading week, even keen fans of technical analysis took notice of fundamental data. A policy update of the European Central Bank sent the euro-dollar pair into a downward spiral. The pair slumped to the lowest level in 21 months. Hi Peter. Last week you recommended long deals which were closed by stop loss, making a 25 pips loss. Thanks to your advice, we avoided bigger losses. We would be glad to find out your recommendations for the next week.
Hello dear traders. On the euro versus US dollar, basically what I found is a changing in the trend dynamic from the bullish to the bearish. I suggested you in my previous forecast watch for buying opportunities and see if the few-day balance can hold. Price basically did the breakout of the resistance of that balance, but it failed basically to sustain a further upward momentum. And because of that, sellers came into the market, and euro basically the strong sellers came into the market. And right now the euro is basically on the very good bearish momentum. And my advice is basically to watch for selling opportunities. Also, the reason why the euro versus US dollar went lower is because of the high impact event, the Draghi speech and the monetary policy report from ECB. So you know, the fundamentals changed. The sellers came in, and we got sellers in control. So basically what I found is that there is a finished bullish correction, ABC zigzag, and I marked like the bearish, looks like a bearish flag, and there is a strong reaction from that bearish flag. Price went lower, and my advice to watch for selling opportunities. The key support levels so far are set at the 1.1200 level. This is the first downward target, and the second downward target is set at the price of 1.1015. Key short-term resistance is set at the price of 1.1400, and if you see the breakout of this level, this may represent a further bullish movement. But so far, sellers are in total control. Momentum is bearish, so watch for selling opportunities with a first target at the price of 1.1200.
Long positions on the euro-dollar pair were closed by stop loss. However, traders were not able to open a long deal on the pound-dollar pair because the uptrend projected by you reversed its direction. In fact, the pair was trading lower. Peter, could you please comment on the situation?
On the British pound versus US dollar, basically what I found, according to the 4-hour time frame, is that there is a finished, in my opinion, expanding flat type of the bullish correction. There is a fake breakout of the key resistance in the background, and then after the breakout of the key resistance, price went lower, created something like a bearish flag, and sellers joined the trading session basically. And my advice was for selling opportunities. Downward targets are set at the price of 1.2975. This is actually the good swing low according to the 4-hour time frame, and the second downward target is set at the price of 1.2780. These basically targets are basically from the previous swing lows, and they represent a good support levels and potential take profit levels. So watch for selling opportunities on the British pound versus
deals on the euro versus the Canadian dollar pair slightly undershot take profit, just by 6 pips. Then the price reversed downwards. Meanwhile, deals on this pair are losing. However, stop loss is still far away. Peter, we're still keeping the deals open. Would you like to discuss another trading instrument in our link up?
On the Australian dollar versus US dollar, I found a head and shoulders formation according to a 4-hour time frame. There is also a strong bearish momentum in the background, so this currency pair is in strong downward trend. On the longer term perspective, and my advice to watch for selling opportunities and go with the direction of the overall trend. The downward target is set to the price of 0.6825, and this is basically a projection of this head and shoulders pattern. So watch for selling opportunities on this currency pair with a first target at the 0.6825.
Thank you, Peter, for your trading recommendations, and see you next week. You've watched the Link Up on InstaForex TV channel with me, Anna Kasatkina, and Petar Jakimovic, technical analyst of InstaForex office in Serbia. We wish you always profitable trading and see you soon.